Hi, good morning, everybody. Right, to provide you the revised notes, isn't it? So, I am going to start this revision by using the YouTube channel, isn't it? So, the first chapter, that was resources and development, isn't it? And first, you must try to understand that what does resources actually mean, isn't it? Resources mean the things or the substance which can satisfy our needs, needs and demands, that is called as resources. Okay, so here the two terms are mentioned, which are resources and development. Here we have to correlate the resource with the development, isn't it? So without the development of resources, the development is not possible. The actual development, the economic development, or whatever may be the human development, that is not possible without the development of the resources, isn't it? So I have defined in very good way the term resources, right? Now try to understand the types of resources. What are the types of resources? Okay, when we talk about the types of resources, there are two types of resources. One is natural and other is human resources. Natural resources and human resources, these two are totally different. Natural resources means the resources which we obtain from the nature. That is called as natural resources, isn't it? And human resource, that is transformed. It means what? A small child, right, or a person that can be transformed into a human resource by providing some skills and knowledge, isn't it? But we have to more focus here over the natural resources, isn't it? Natural resources, again we will classify the natural resources, right? Natural resources that has been classified into two types. One is renewable and other is non-renewable, isn't it? So renewable resources are those resources which get renewed naturally without any human interference, है ना? ये नेचुरल रिसोर्स जो रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, बिना किसी ह्यूमन एफर्ट के वो नेचुरली रिन्यू हो जाते हैं. जैसे वाटर है, बाय वाटर साइकिल, नाइट्रोजन है, नाइट्रोजन साइकिल, ऑक्सीजन है, ऑक्सीजन साइकिल, isn't it? That is get renewed naturally, but non renewable it cannot be renewed. ये रिन्यू नहीं होता है ना? ये लिमिटेड है. जैसे कोल, फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, व्हाटएवर द फॉसिल फ्यूल्स आर देयर, कोल, petroleum, natural gases are there, isn't it? It cannot be renewed, isn't it? It will renew, but it will take millions of years, isn't it? In renewability, isn't it? That is why it will kept under the non-renewable resources, isn't it? Renewable resources again classified into two types, isn't it? One is the continuous, another is the biological. biological, and biological that comprise again that is the forest, or we can say natural vegetation, forest, isn't it? Or we can say natural vegetation and wildlife, right? So continuous resource means what? The continuous resource means the resources which are coming continuously from the environment, like sunlight, wind, isn't it? The heat from inside the earth, isn't it? All these are the continuous in nature. That is why it is called as continuous resources. All continuous resources are renewable resources. All biological resources are renewable resources, isn't it? Biological means the forest and wildlife. It include forest and wildlife, isn't it? तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं, ठीक है? फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम हम लोग क्लासिफिकेशन 1 by 1 पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? The next time we will discuss classification 1 by 1. Isn't it? Thank you for watching this video.